welcome back to Angela's Food and Wellness. Thanks for tuning in, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much. Today we are down to the 5th of 5 recipes, quick recipes we've been sharing. So today will be the last one, and today's recipe is very easy, super quick, but super healthy. So let's make shrimp in garlic sauce. We're going to have a shrimp in garlic sauce with some basmati rice. So I want to get that started. First of all, I'll place my rice in my pot. I'll leave that for a second. I'll turn the heat on this pot. I'm going to bring this to a boil and then place the broccoli in there for 2 minutes. So I'll season the water with a bit of salt. So once that starts boiling, I'll place the broccoli in it. In the meantime, whilst I'm waiting for that to boil, I'm going to just add a tiny bit of oil here. So I'll season my shrimp. For me, the usual suspect: ginger, garlic, bit of seasoning, I'm going to add the onions to pan. Add some chopped garlic. Rub in the spice into your shrimp and add it to your oil. You cook this for 2 minutes. You don't want to overcook it. So my water is boiling. I'll drop in my broccoli for about 2 minutes. So that's been on for about 2 minutes. I'm just going to tip the water out. So add a tiny bit of cold water and tip that out just to take the heat off so it doesn't continue to cook. So I'll set that aside. I'll put on the rice. And start dicing. So I'm just dicing some chives. Dice my onion. So that should be okay now. I'm going to turn the heat up on that. So I've diced my spring onion, chives, and onions. So I'm sneaking in some long chili. Maybe 2 might be too much. I'll use 1. So I've just diced the tiny chili. Then to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cloves of fresh garlic. Garlic is very useful in boosting our immune system, so never shy away from any chance to use it. So just dice into tiny bits. So I've diced my garlic, onions, and pepper. I'm going to put the spring onion here in the bowl. To prepare the sauce, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, tablespoon of sesame oil. I'm going to add some water, a cup of water, and cornstarch. So I'm adding 2.5 teaspoons of cornstarch. So mix that together. So I'm going to scoop my shrimp here, my cooked shrimp. So I'll set it aside for now and prepare the sauce. Add just a drizzle of olive oil in your pan, in your wok pan. You could use vegetable oil, that's fine. So heat up the pan and add your onion. So add your onion to the oil. So add a bit of salt. Black pepper. Garlic, a bit of garlic, more garlic, bit of seasoning, I'm going to add my sauce mix to the oil. So if you think it's too thick, you can always add a bit more water. That's fine. I think it needs to cook a bit, so it's too. I need to add some water. So I've added some grated carrot to the rice. I've put the cooker off, but the heat in the rice will cook the carrot slightly. So back to our sauce. I'm going to add our broccoli. I'll turn the heat down. Add my broccoli. Mix that in. And also add my shrimp. Add some of my diced chive and save the rest for the rice. So our shrimp in garlic sauce is ready, and it smells really good. The entire house smells so good. So I'm looking forward to digging in. Thanks for watching. I hope you find these recipes, quick and easy recipes, useful in your meal plans, and also your feedback is really super important to us. So let me know how you feel about these recipes, how you get on. If there's a recipe you would like me to do a video on, do let me know. I'll try my best. And also, just to let you know, I'm going to have a separate channel for my health and wellness talks and videos. So look out for that. That would need a separate subscription as well, because it's a separate channel. So thanks for your support. Thanks for your help. Stay safe, stay well, stay blessed.